also we're gonna do this live because it's a bit long to dress up the charts and then post them before. So when it's looking like this, it's probably best just to do a quick live one. So um, kind of a head and shoulders pattern happening here. We've come up and hit the current weekly high, current monthly high, and then we've had this bearish candle come in. It looks as though, I mean, I'd have to zoom. Look, if you would just look at this, I don't know whether you can see this. Is it big enough? So basically, you see this this peak up here, previous weekly high, carries on. It's still riding the momentum from last week, and then it just peaks up, and then we get this big candle. Okay, so when we start measuring this candle, I mean, I don't want to spend too long on this one, but we're coming up and at 70.5, and we're starting to move down now, and we're held up by this level by the looks of it. So let's just go ahead and start to dissect this level. You know, we're down here. We've had this doji here, so we can just kind of drag it out to there. Let's just copy this and bring this across here. So as you can see, you know, these sessions penetrating, and we're penetrating again. Yep. So yeah, we're just peaking out there. So on the daily again, as just looking at all these divergences, look at bottom right. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3 peaks of those impulse runs, and we've got the same thing down here, and we are losing momentum, man. I mean, are we going to see this reverse? No, I don't think so, but we could see a move down. So it's great. It's pretty much like the AUDNZD, Aussie New Zealand. What we're trying to do there, we're trying to kind of capture retracement. It's probably not the best way to approach trading. I'll be honest with you. There's easier ways. We can simply just long this. You know, we're trying to overcomplicate the trading, but you know, with these news scenarios just ahead of us, then it could be a good move. Okay, so yeah. Another thing is that it looks to me like we're breaking out of this triangle as well. So we've got a triangle on this 15-minute. And you know, we've busted through there, and this this London session actually did that, so we're breaking down. So another thing is that we have, you know, you can see how the price is respecting this, you know, this middle open line here. Okay, so we're coming down, retesting the open, making a high, kind of triple top there, full blown breakdown, and then coming back up to the open line. Look, open line, break up, come back down to the open line, and then we're down. So what my point is that we've come back up, retested this open line, and then we've declined. Okay, on the 15-minute, you look at that Asia low. So just put this just get that Asia low on there, and then you can see what's happened is it broke down, and the London session broke down, come back up, retested, gone into that area, retesting. Look at the scalper. Look at that scalper. I mean, geez, 1, 2, 3, move down. That's nice. Okay, so where are we looking at entries? I mean, so if we're entering here, you know, we're looking at least above that wedge there. And then if we move it down to the current weekly low, you know, it's only 0.88, so so maybe if it does come back up here, we can look to get in on this retest of the wedge as well. Okay, so there's a 1. sorry, let me just adjust that. So you got 3R there, so not bad. So let's just say 0.5%, 0.5%, 1% overall. If it starts to fly back up, hit the 0.5%. And then if it does come back up outside of this wedge, and then you're going to be stopped out. Right, so I'm not too sure, maybe actually it might be better just to move the stop loss just above that level. So what I'm looking at is down on the bottom chart, the 1 hour, down here, looking at this spot there. So the stop loss can just be above that. So yeah, it looks all right. Okay, so looking at this now, it is starting to kind of make its move. So just bear in mind that this is going to be a scaling opportunity. So we can figure out the scaling options as it comes in. But I think I'm going to start. If this comes up and touches that scalper again, I'm gonna enter. So what I'm gonna do here is just we'll do an example. So it can do sell. Now this is awkward here, but we'll do 10k, and I just want to show how I can scale into this if it does go opposite back against us. So I'm gonna scale in. We've got 10k. So far, I might probably scale into about 100k on this paper account, because it's, I mean, when I do the stop loss right up here, you look at it, it's $99 and the account is like 28k. So 1% 28k will be 2.8k. So that's 28 shots. Just doing quick calculation, 28 shots. Right, I need to be at least 15k. So we'll do another 15k. So the stop loss here is $239. Okay, so if I, let's say if this comes up here and I take 10 shots at it, by the time this hits here, it's going to be about 1% of my account. Okay. So this is, if this really does go against this is going to be a cool example. Okay, let's log off here and let's just wait for some news to come out.